Okay, enough? Is it good? Okay. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. You can surround it. I designed all the things, you know. Now it feels so full and so.
So all the wine and stuff and the plates and all that, we get out here or take the boat? No, the new plates and all that, the bigger plates.
Props to this and this are gone.
Thank you so much. Your work is beautiful. I work at the gym. Oh, you work at the gym? The other day. Okay, looking at your card.
Yes. And your name is
Christiana.
And Angela.
I don't know. I just don't know. Nice meeting you.
Which one is your favorite?
I can say I like this one here.
You like it?
Yeah.
Actually, my favorite is
Well, I like it because of the lady and the detail and everything about it. Very, very nice. Love it.
Yeah, actually my price is quite reasonable. Yeah, very good. You know this is silk, the matting. It's a so many
rice paper.
Yeah, and then support like that can make the matting. And then this glass is very quality and block the UV, so you get no reflection. It's very good.
Very good. I love every single piece. It's beautiful. Very talented. Very talented. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm glad I'm here. Enjoy the beautiful promoting just take a long my time. But next time I just like she's been all the social media. Me too. Yeah, I don't have the time now. I focus on my yeah, well, I could do my I know. Beautiful. All these beautiful girls. One more. People come here. I know, exactly.
Yeah, I'm glad you know how to appreciate this one. I love this one too.
The color.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah. This one original already sold.
Of course.
We have to play. We have to play. We have to play. But this GK is as good, even better. Because the color, I adjusted with the guy. He is an artist too. And we just the color is as good as the original. Even better, I think. And last longer. Because the high current in the machine, the camera, and the color.
My auntie in Hong Kong would probably love it.
Will love it. And this price is really, I put it so low.
Do you have a website?
I have.
I should like take the website.
What is your website?
Yeah.
What is the name of your website?
My website is ycinartist.com. Artist.com.
You should give it to me and then I'll like I should forward it to my family in Hong Kong.
What is the address here, YC?
My address here is 1999 South Coast Highway. And Suite E, Laguna Beach, California, 92651.
At the very least, I'll send you the thank you very much.
Yes, come there.
Now, like I'll definitely forward it to my aunt in Hong Kong.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, because they love this sort of
I know, it's so
style.
beautiful. The artists of Chinese focus on the watercolor rice paper. Yeah. This is really unique, antique. If you match with the antique furniture, it's so perfect.
Yeah, that's how my family had their place decorated very Asian style, just like classic.
Yeah, the classic is
Have you
very
both been to Hong Kong?
I've been there a couple of times.
Yeah, I love it. I grew up there for the first 10 years. And then I went to school in England.
You've been in Hong Kong, huh?
Yeah, I was born in Hong Kong. And then I lived the first 10 years in Hong Kong. And then I went to boarding school in England from the age of 10. And then I went to college in England. Yeah.